There are a lot of rumors out there talking about maybe June being a month where AMC will hit a certain level. Well, I don't want to dwell into that, but there is something I want to share with you guys in this video that is not far from that. I mean, not from the date, but actually from the huge buying pressure that is going to come here into this stock in the next coming months. Why? Because we know, and I keep kind of pinning this, because it's a huge catalyst to this play. GameStop is about to have a shareholder vote around whether or not they want to do a stock split attached to a dividend. And we all know how that will play for AMC, all right? We talked about that many times since the news came 2 months ago. What people may not know or may tend to forget is the fact that now in high inflationary times, like, the times we're currently living now, people tend to find something that will continue to make their money grow, but not make it risky. I mean, think about it, folks. If you had your money into a company like Tesla or Palantir or Neo or Lucid, you will be down 70% right now in average, right? So in terms of high inflation, because money is a lot more expensive, people have less tendency to take a huge risk in the market based on margin, because you have to pay interest on margin and money is expensive, right? Because of interest rate being high, the cost of money being high. So what they do is they will look for passive income, because passive income is kind of like you're parking your money in the bank, but still growing at a higher rate, higher pace than if you were to actually put that money in the bank. Let me show you. You have 100,000 right now in stocks. You decide to sell it because you don't know what the next couple of months are going to be. You want to put it in a bank account. You go to Capital One, you go to Bank of America, you go to Chase, you go to ALI, you go to pretty much every bank, including online, and they will tell you the most we can give you is 0.7%. I think currently is what ALI is giving. So that will be $700 on your $100,000 at the end of 12 months. So not even the $1,000, right? And that is less than 1%. So the alternative to that is, let me find a dividend fund, all right? Let me find a dividend fund, because dividend funds are comprised of the companies that are paying dividends, all right? And have the potential of keep growing. And you know which one is also falling into that? Once this shareholding vote will be, approved, because I'm not sure. I mean, I guess it's going to be approved in June. GameStop. And we know the short sellers in GameStop are also the same in AMC. Every time those two, sharp or decline, they do that in tandem, all right? They follow the same pattern. So anything happening in GameStop will also happen in AMC, most likely. Now, when GameStop starts paying out that dividend, all the dividend paying funds, a bunch of other funds are going to, including investors, are going to just start scooping shares of GameStop. If by then the short sellers are not out because of the forced recall that the dividend payout will initiate, forcing them to cover, I mean, they're just going to be crushed. They are just going to be crushed. So just to let you know that, even though now the price doesn't mean a lot based on what we know is about to happen, the fundamentals haven't changed. As a matter of fact, they are getting even better, especially with this news I'm just sharing with you. So another reason for anybody else, out there willing to hold on a little bit longer to its AMC or GameStop shares, because the best is yet to come. This is really what I believe.